Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure freelance writing jobs with ProBlogger, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the ProBlogger website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available resources. Navigate to the job board section. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your profile with accurate and relevant information about your writing experience. Highlight your niche areas and specific expertise. Upload a professional-looking profile picture. Explore the various job listings available. Filter jobs based on your interests and skills. Read the job descriptions thoroughly before applying. Make notes of any specific skills or experiences requested by the employers. Craft a tailored cover letter for each job application. Ensure to address the employer by name, if possible. In the cover letter, mention how your expertise aligns with their needs. Provide samples of your previous work to showcase your skills. Attach relevant writing samples that demonstrate your style and versatility. Keep your samples concise and impactful. Before submitting, proofread your application for spelling and grammar errors. Submit your application promptly to stay competitive. Consider following up with a polite email if you haven't heard back within a week or two. Stay active on the ProBlogger platform. Engage with the community through forums and discussions. Network with other writers to exchange tips and opportunities. Consistently check the job board for new listings. Set alerts for relevant job postings to ensure you never miss an opportunity. Be patient and persistent in your search for freelance writing jobs. Learn from any feedback you receive on your applications. Adapt your approach based on what works and what doesn't. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.